Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Xiaomi Pad 5. So this is the grey version and it has 128 gigabytes of RAM. And this is basically Android pad, which is supposed to compete with the iPad these days. I will do a review later to see how it does, but let's just take a look at what it's inside and I will start it up and we can see how it looks like when you start it up. Alright, so right off the bat we get this Xiaomi logo and some information. So let's take a look here. Xiaomi Pad 5. It has a 2K resolution at 120 Hz with Dolby Vision supported. So this will be very interesting to see how the screen is. And immersive quad stereo speakers, so it's supposed to have good speakers, also Dolby Atmos. So we will check that out in my review as well. And a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860. 7 nanometers high performance processor, 2.96 gigahertz. Alright. And a big battery, 8220 milliamp hour, high capacity battery, and a 22.5 watt charger is included in the box. Okay, so let's just see here. Alright, it looks very slick, very slim. Very slim, looks indeed like an Android iPad. And we can take a look at the camera bump right here. 2 cameras and a small little flash. What does it say there? Yeah, AI camera 13 megapixels. I don't know if you can see that, but that is what it says. Xiaomi right there. And of course a USB-C port as expected. Speakers here, speakers there, a lot of speakers. A button to turn it on. Alright. And we get, basically what to be expected. And in the box here we also get this little package here. And in here we get some manuals, as usual. And when we remove this, it's a bit stuck in here, we also get charger, USB-A, and a cord, of course. So let's start this thing up. All right. MIUI, I guess that's the operating system, or no, it's Android, but it's the version that they are using. Okay, so let's see here, MIUI. Okay, let's do, English, that will work out just fine. United Kingdom, sure. Actually no, I mean Sweden, so let's take Sweden. Yeah, and I read it. I read very fast, and I will just connect it to my Wi-Fi. Okay, getting the tablet ready. This is supposedly a iPad killer, so we will definitely see how well it does. For me, one of the most important parts with this is actually the video quality. When you watch YouTube, when you watch Netflix, how does it look? Because on the iPad it's very well optimized and it looks good. Normally on Android pads it does not look as good. So we will definitely see here how it does, and yeah, very interesting. Skip that. Okay, all right. So let's see the first look right here. And also something I noticed is that most Android pads, they work like this, where they have the camera up here. This Mi uses the camera up there. Okay, let's increase the brightness so we can see. And yeah, the 120 Hz, definitely noticeable and very, very nice. Okay, I don't think you can see on this camera how your 120 Hz, but I can tell you that it is nice. Let's test out YouTube. See the quality right here. It's supposed to have Quad HD, so we will definitely check that out right here. So let's search for my channel. Hello and welcome to this unboxing and first impressions of the Razer Viper Ultimate. Okay, so yeah, I gotta say, the quality looks good, although it has RGB, hyperspeed and focus plus. Although the brightness isn't the greatest, of course, it's designed for esports, but the quality is really good. It has a really fast connection with the computer. Let's pause it right there. I would say right off the bat, it's nice, high quality. Actually, the Android system is not as smooth as the iPad system, but I will do a review and we will talk about that later on. So I certainly hope you enjoyed this unboxing and setup of the Xiaomi Pad 5. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.